Good afternoon, my dear students. Today I am going to revise the chapter statistics, that is to find variance and standard deviation. See the question number 1. Find the variance of the following data 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. The given data you have to arrange in ascending order 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. You have to find out mean x bar, sum of all observations divided total number of observations. That is called mean. How much coming? 150 by 10 equal to coming 15. Now you have to arrange the table like this. First of all, you write x values. Then deviation from mean you have to find out xi minus x bar. Xi is the given data, that is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Then you have to find a deviation from mean, xi minus x bar. Mean you got 15, 6 minus 15 minus 9. After that mean deviation whole square, xi minus x bar whole square. Then find total. Total xi minus x bar whole square coming 330. Okay. The variance formula is what? Variance is equal to sigma square equal to total deviation, means deviation whole square summation xi minus x bar whole square divided by total number of observations, that is n. 30 by 10, 33. Question number 2. Find the variance and standard deviation of the following data. You have to find out variance and standard deviation of the following data. In this case, frequency given, xi column given, and frequency given. 4 versus 3, 8 versus 5, 11 versus 9, 17 versus 5, 20 versus 4, 24 versus 3, 32 versus 1. The first step, to arrange the table like this. Xi column, frequency column, then you have to find out fi xi. Just you have to multiply frequency with xi. 4 into 3 12, 8 5 is 40, 11 9 is 99, 17 5 is 85, 25 is 80, 24 into 3 72, 32 into 1 32. After that you have to find out mean. You know mean formula is summation fi xi by total observation, total frequency. 420 by 30 it is coming 14. After finding mean x bar, then find deviation xi minus x bar. Then deviation you got that whole square you have to find out, xi minus x bar whole square. After that you have to multiply with frequency. Frequency into deviation whole square, that is coming fi into xi minus x bar whole square. 100 into 3, 300. Yes or no? This is 100, this is 300 into 3, 300. 36 into 5, 180. Like this you have to multiply. Total you have to find out 1374. X bar you got 14. Now you have to find out variance, that is sigma square. Your formula is summation fi equal into xi minus x bar whole square plus you got total 1374 divided by total frequency 30, you are getting 45.8. This is you got variance. Then standard deviation will be variance root over. Standard deviation is equal to variance का root over 45.8 का root over 6.7. In this way, 2 questions I have completed from the chapter statistics, how to find out mean, variance and standard deviation with frequent distribution. Let us go one more question from this chapter. Next question is see, calculate the mean, variance and standard deviation for the following data. In this case, class interval given 30 to 40, frequency 3, 40 to 50, frequency given 7, 50 to 60, frequency 12, 60 to 70, frequency 15, 70 to 80, frequency 8, 80 to 90, frequency 3, 90 to 100, frequency 2. Okay. So first of all, you have to arrange the table like this. Class interval right. Then you have to find mean value 30 to 40, mean value will be a 10 gap. You have to write 30 plus 5, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. After that, you have to assume one from xi column, that is mean value 65 will take. A is the assumed mean. Then frequency given, right? Cumulative frequency you have to find out. You have to find out cumulative frequency, because calculate the mean, variance and the standard deviation for the following distribution. Cumulative frequency, first one 3, then 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 12 22, 22 plus 15 37, 37 plus 8 45, 45 plus 3 48, 48 plus 2 50. Then you find using stabilization method di does, that is xi minus a by s. S means width of the class, and they have to divide. Okay, in this way you are getting, assuming you have taken 65 from 35 minus 65 minus 30 divided by 10 minus 3. After that you have to find out Fi di, then Fi di square. Okay, Fi di square. Now you have to find out mean using step deviation method. Formula is what? A plus summation Fi di. Here Fi di dash, di means deviation, di dash means that is divided by width of the class interval, divided by n into h. In this way you are getting mean is equal to 62. Then variance formula is what? Sigma square equal to a square whole into summation Fi di dash whole square by n minus summation Fi di by n whole square. Now put these values. After simplification you are getting h means 10, width of the class interval 10 whole square. Summation Fi di square you got 105 by total frequency 50 minus summation Fi di that is minus 15 by 50 का whole square. After simplification you are getting how much accuracy? You are getting 201. Therefore standard deviation will be 201 whole square. Let us go next question. The measurement in millimeter of the diameters of the heads of 107 screw are given below. Diameter given in millimeter 33 to 35, number of screw means frequency 17, 36 to 38 number of screws 19, 39 to 41 number of screws 23, then 42 44 number of screws 21, like this 27 45 to 47. Calculate standard deviation. Okay, so first of all you have to arrange the table like this: class interval, mid value. You have to arrange the class interval after adjustment 0.5 subtracting to lower limit, adding 0.5 to upper limit, then mid value, then frequency, then di dash, that is xi minus a by width of the class interval. Okay, after that Fi di dash, then Fi di square. Then standard deviation formula is what? H whole root over summation Fi di dash square by n minus summation Fi di dash by n whole square. Now put these values. Width of the class interval 3 given, and summation Fi di dash square how much you got? 216 by total frequency 107 screw, number of screw 107, minus summation Fi di dash, that is 22 by 107 whole square. After simplification we are getting standard deviation is equal to 4.22. In this few questions I have completed from the chapter statistics to find mean, standard deviation and variance. Okay, thank you for today class. Try to practice more for your coming annual exam. Thanks for today class.